I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this wig from Temu, which was described as glueless wear and go in 30 seconds. It's Temu. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video.
It does come with wig caps, but I'm just not a fan of this. So here's the wig.
The wig was described as elegant short bob straight pre-plucked with baby hair, 150% density, 13 by 4 human hair, comfortable fit, and I guess this is the elastic band that's supposed to make it glueless, but we're going to find out. It comes with 4 clips, and you can see that the lace doesn't match my skin tone, therefore I'll be using my foundation to tint the lace. Once I was satisfied with how the lace tinting was going, as you can see, it now looks so much better, so I tinted the whole frontal part.
I have applied my foundation on the lace, and as you can see, it looks really nice. My hairline is up to literally next to my eyebrow. It's like a 1 inch or 2 inch difference. Disadvantage of this wig is that it comes with a shaped hairline, and not everyone has the same shape of hairline, so maybe it would be more full to the front so that I can be able to cut through and see where it actually matches with my hairline or not. So that's the only challenge I'm having.
I went in with my wax stick to lay the flyaways back in line and held my hair back before I got to use the Got To Be blast freezing spray that has a hold of up to 6. After that, I went ahead and used my melting band to melt the lace, and as the lace was melting, I decided to try and give it a hairstyle. At this point, I just wanted to show you on camera in 4K that the lace is not bleached and it is not a HD lace as described. Later, I went ahead and used my heat comb to try and make the hair lay flat and easier for styling. I tried to cut the lace on camera, but it was just so difficult, therefore I did it off camera and melted it again.
Yeah, the final result. I was trying to go for a more bob-like thing like this to make everything look big, because I have a small head and I like when my hair is like everywhere.
I went to bed last night. I did this video at night, and this is the next day in the morning, and I decided to style the hair again to try and give it some volume because I was leaving the house. So guys, I've tried to make the hair look like it has some volume in it because it was flat and I just didn't like that. I'll be going out today, so I thought, yeah, maybe look presentable. I mean, I do look presentable all the time. Anyway, something I have noticed with the wax stick is that if you're going for a more laid, flat, sleek lay down, use the wax stick. If you're trying to get more volume, don't use this area because it's gonna make it look more flat. I've got to remove this. And that's the wig. That is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, like, comment, share and subscribe. all those things YouTubers say, do that for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.